My name is Louisa Amenu. I'm the CEO of Lomel Foods and Catering Services Limited. This scheme has assisted us in employing more people, especially the youth, and has also helped us in expanding our production capacity and returns.
This program has helped Ghatty Foods to do more effective and hygienic production.
Ghatty Foods has been in operation for over 2 decades. We started operation in 2000, well, that's when the company was registered. And we've been producing with the aim of providing the average or the Ghanaian home with quality products that were not readily available on the market. Tom Brown, groundnut paste, kokonte, gari. Due to the nature of our processes, our products have to be quite dry before we are able to package them and send them to the market so that we can obtain maximum shelf life. Now, before the GIZ intervention, we used to dry our products in the sun, but because of pests and parasites and all of that, we had problems with how hygienic it will be. We saw a call for application for a grant scheme, and because we needed this equipment, we also put our application in, and fortunately we were selected. We received a dryer that has made our processes quite more efficient. Now we are sure of the quality of our product. If we finish our process, when the product spends about 2 hours in the dryer, we can have it completely dry where it can stay on the shelf for up to a year. Now we also don't have to depend on the sun, the uncertainty of the weather. And we have also been able to increase our production capacity because now we don't have to spend so much time in process where we are leaving the things out in the sun, and then we have to be afraid about the rain and all of that.
Lomel Foods processing started as a small venture. That was in 2017, and we started doing outdoor services. So we're just doing food in small quantities, then we just deliver to our clients. We are now located at KNUST and no longer in the house like we started. We were locked up at a point when we wanted to expand because the capital to start was very, very challenging. At a point, we invested all our money in the setup of the facility, and over almost a year, we didn't know what to do. It was very challenging. We tried in the banks. The bank gave us some money, but it was still not enough. We tried investors, yes, they gave us, but it was still not enough. Then along the line, I heard from BAC, which is the Ascori Mampong GEA, where I belong, the business development, when they told me about GIZ, the grant scheme. Then I applied, and through the grant scheme, we were able to buy the equipment that we needed for the expansion projects. We were able to buy all the training stoves, a very huge commercial oven that can bake almost 1 bag of flour. And I think it's a great help. And because of that, we're able to service more clients within a short time. And we have employed more people, and we're also training more of the students to take up some of these entrepreneurship ventures.
I would say we are very thankful to the German Development Corporation for bringing this facility to us. The companies here are mainly SMEs. They normally go through so many challenges in getting loans through the main banks. Getting collaterals and other requirements are very cumbersome for the SMEs to get. So getting this grant in the form of equipment have gone a long way to help the members. My recent visit to some of the beneficiaries, I could see their excitement in having the equipment, and they are putting it into good use. I wish more companies in my region could benefit from the facility. It's actually helping.
Apelo. Maune Yirami.
Thank you.